France has fined Apple over a privacy feature on iPhones. It's a pop-up window that appears when you install a third-party app and lets you opt out of being tracked. France's competition authority says this feature makes it harder for smaller apps to survive without charging consumers. NTD Sean Marshall breaks it down for us.
When you download a third-party app on an iPhone, a privacy control feature pops up. I'll just demonstrate with a random top 10 app here. It forces apps to obtain permission before collecting data to target users with personalized ads. Apple calls the feature ATT, or App Tracking Transparency. This is what prompted the French Competition Authority, France's antitrust watchdog group, to fine Apple 150 million euros or $162 million on Monday. It ruled that the way in which the App Tracking Transparency was implemented was neither necessary nor proportionate to Apple's stated objective of protecting personal data. But what does that mean? NTD asked tech expert Burton Kelso to break down this complex case.
Is basically saying that they think that Apple has an edge up as not only the creator of the operating system, but also the fact that they are running the App Store. And so Apple can push its own apps out and not be scrutinized, whereas other app manufacturers don't have that same ability just to post an app and to get free reign of what happens once their app is uploaded to the App Store.
While the feature was designed to tighten up privacy, it faced criticism from big tech rivals that it would make it harder for smaller apps to survive without charging consumers. Basically, a polite way of saying these apps need to sell people's data to survive.
The challenge with that is that Apple, in its grand scheme, obviously wants to protect user data. I mean, they've been on the forefront of switching Apple devices from just standard passwords to passkeys, which implement biometric technologies.
The watchdog group claimed users are being barraged by pop-ups from third-party apps requesting their consent, and that the proliferation of these consent windows made it excessively complex for app users to navigate the iOS environment. Apple told the court that the feature gives users more privacy control through a required clear and easy-to-understand prompt about one thing: tracking. Sean Marshall, NTD News.